Sige, tulog ka na.
Good night. Ulan ba dyan?
Sobra.
Ulan?
Kanina kasi ang lakas ng ulan pero napuno yung venue.
Wow. Buti na lang. Matulog na tayo.
yung
May work pa bukas. Oh. Anong tuloy?
Tuloy yung show namin ni Little Eddie sa Bar 9.
Saan? Saan?
Punta ka?
Saan?
Uy. Bar 9.
Ano yun? Sino gagawa ng event? Ikaw?
Well, si Mara. So, me and Eddie are gonna be doing the show, Bar 9. On August, mag-i-extend si Eddie. August 26. Yes. 3 hours ang biyahe. Tulog ka na?
Oo, tutulog na ako. Na ako talaga.
Okay, tulog ka na.
Tulog ka na din dyan sa biyahe.
Ticket po ba sa 26? Yes, you can. Hanapin mo yung post ng Bar 9. Bar 1X. Yung 9 parang Roman numeral. So Bar 1IX. Bar 9. And then nandun yung
Gawa ka
ano.
na lang ng poster din.
May poster na. I-repost ko na lang. Go to my Facebook. Go to my Blue app, guys. Yan. Thank you, Janiza. Ganyan. Bar IX.
Sorry. Sorry, nagulat ka.
Oh my God. Ang lakas ng ulan. Yes, ang lakas ng ulan. Good night, Miss B. Where's Katie?
Narinig mo? Narinig mo?
Sabi niya.
Wala pa daw 12.
8 minutes pa. Sige, tulog ka na.
Good night. Bye, Mr. D. Ingat kayo.
Good night, Miss B.
Sleep ka na dyan. Para madagdagan yung 4
Hope to
hours.
see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Ikaw na bumaba. Next time na lang. Oo. Sabihin ko next time. Ano ba to? Diba? Yan, look at this. Look at this, guys. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Pahinga ka na, Mr. B. Yes, yes, yes. I'm on the way home from Bataan. Had a show at KD Rock. And I'm very happy because napuno yung venue. Hindi lumalabas yung ano eh. Tapos biglang binaba. Tuloy ka sana kasi nababa. Where's the Eddie? Log 2. Napagod. You guys like the KKK band? Look. KKK. Chat ko na lang. Sabihin ko na lang sa chat. Yes. Guys, I'll be having a show in Bar 9. August 26, coming in Little Eddie. So, we'll see you guys there. This is my first bar show ever. Well, I used to do bar shows with South Border, but that was like 2013, 2014. But I think in 12 years, this is my first bar show. So, I'm excited. Back in the bar scene, baby. Kailan ang next vlog? This week. Kaya mo na, marami kaming nalabas last week, di ba? Voice message ko. Ano yung voice message? I love you. Good night. Ganon. I love you. Good night. Good night, sleep tight, sweet dreams. Good night, sleep tight, don't let the bed bugs bite. Ganun. Tomorrow our guesting is on Kada Umaga. But I don't know if it's a taping because, I don't know, we'll see. Trying to read, guys. I'm trying to comment. Ano po yung may mga